Yeah, hello there, wonderful AI marketer in the making. It's really amazing how far we've come in this course. And in this lecture, we are going to be looking at the epic prompts to introduce your business to your audience. And just a quick recap, it was so incredible what we learned in the last lecture, how we used the epic prompts to generate the different types of content. It was so enlightening, you know. And we want to continue with this one now, okay? And this prompt is very important because it generates a very effective, very compelling message for your audience, okay? Like, of course, businesses, whether it's your audience or a business you are freelancing for or you are remote working for, they are always looking out to reach out to new audiences. So first impression matters a great deal. So getting a very compelling message to attract your audience, to your business, to get to know what your business is all about, and to sign up and of course make sales at the end, it's so important. And this prompt is very, very awesome for doing such. So having said that, let's just go ahead and look at it. So it's we are going to be breaking this down into several steps. The first step is to look at the prompt that we will use to generate a message for reaching out to your audience. Okay, this is the first step. But the second step is, after you generate the message to reach out to your audience, we are going to learn about a very short but very effective prompt as a continuation to this very prompt, okay, on how we can generate the top X amount of problems that your audience faces. Okay, to get the top X amount of problems your audience faces, ChatGPT can help a great deal for you to know the top. It can be 7, 3 problems, 30 problems that can last for the whole month. Okay, and after which we will now tell the ChatGPT to generate content that profiles the solution to these problems, okay, that we can advertise to the audience to attract them. So very quickly, let's look at this step 1, and it says, I just want to break it down for you to understand. It's an amazing prompt. It says, assume the identity of chief marketing officer for company name. So that's the name of your company or the company you are freelancing for, whichever the case is. Okay, it says with company description. Okay, so you can say, for example, say officer for Epic Wears, a shirt company called Epic Wears that sells shirts for both sexes. We'll look at the practical example very shortly, okay, but I just want to give you a feel of it. Okay, so the company description, what the company majorly does, okay, that's the parameter, okay, you need to fill in there. And it says with company personality. Okay, so you need to give it the personality of your company. Is it a strict personality? Is it an energetic personality? Is it a funny personality? Is it a youthful personality? Do you understand? And we go ahead to say serving primarily what audience. So you need to specify your specific audience. Remember what we learned from the target market stroke audience identity from earlier. Okay, so you specify for youthful audience, okay, for shirt lover audience, for burger lover audience. Do you understand what I mean? So after you say, now say presenting an effective ad for the business audience. All right, so in order not to waste time, let's go ahead and see a practical application of this prompt in ChatGPT. So welcome to the practical aspect of the prompt we just learned about introducing our business to our audience. We are switching things up a bit by using another business venture apart from your pizza, which we use to demonstrate creating ads for target type of content. So very quickly, I'm just going to paste this um, prompt here, which says assume the identity of chief marketing officer for a shirt company called Epic Wears that sells custom shirts for both sexes, having a youthful personality, serving primarily youthful and young adults, presenting an effective ad for the business audience. So let's press enter. So you can see how awesome this is. So you can see that it goes ahead to um, create a wonderful looking ad for us. Says at Epic Wears, we believe fashion is an expression of your unique personality. Our shirts that aren't just pieces of fabric, they are canvases waiting for your creativity. Really, really excellent. It even goes ahead to list out reasons why the audience should choose Epic Wears. Okay, youthful vibes, endless choices. You can see the words it's using that is very relevant to our audience, which are youths, okay, and to the personality of our business, which is youthful in nature. You see, express yourself loud and clear, which youths love to do. So you can see how awesome this prompt is and how it helps us to get a very effective advert to introduce your business to your audience. Okay, even says connect with us, gives us ways on, you know, the audience connecting with you. You can go ahead and edit it and put the website or phone number or whichever you need to put there. Okay, so really, really awesome. Yeah, you are very much welcome. You can see how effective that this prompt was in generating a very compelling um, um, message that really had all the taste of the parameters we put in the prompt to suit the audience and to also portray the personality of the company. So it's really, really amazing. So having done that, the next thing we are going to do in the next lecture is now to generate epic prompts to get X amount of top problems faced by this very business. Okay, this prompt that has introduced the business to the audience, is now to get the problems, and after that we are now going to generate perfect solutions to them, and these solutions will be in variegating forms. It will not just be in a specific form. Remember, there are different styles, okay, styles of ads. Okay, it can be stories, it can be, don't worry, you will see it. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll see you in the next lecture.